Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Indra Septiana.
And I'm Ida Waningsi.
And here we would like to fulfill our examination exactly for ELT, and the lecture is Mr. Mahmud. Nowadays many students have difficulty in learning English, especially in speaking. Although they learn English at school, they often feel shy and not confident when they have to speak English in front of the class. In addition, English learning is sometimes considered boring because students mostly focus on grammar and writing exercise. Students need a fun, comfortable, and affordable place to practice English through real communication. Therefore, we identify the need for an English learning environment that can help students improve their speaking skill is more enjoyable way. Saat ini banyak siswa mengalami kesulitan belajar bahasa Inggris, terutama speaking. Walaupun mereka belajar bahasa Inggris di sekolah, mereka juga merasa malu dan kurang percaya diri ketika harus berbicara di depan kelas. Selain itu, pembelajaran bahasa Inggris terkadang dianggap membosankan karena terlalu fokus pada grammar dan latihan yang tertulis. And our business idea is called English Cafe. English Cafe is a learning-based cafe that combines English practice with a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. Our target market is students, especially junior and senior high school students, and young people who want to improve their English speaking skill. The main activities include English conversation, speaking game, storytelling, role play, and English discussion. And the main advantage of English Cafe is that students can learn English in a fun and informal environment. Unlike traditional English course, our business focus on real communication and active participant. The added value of our business is the English only time, where customers are encouraged to use English during certain sessions. We believe that learning English should be enjoyable, practical, and accessible to everyone. And the next.
Next about implementation plan. To implement English Cafe, we will use a small cafe or a comfortable learning space near school and student communities. And then the place will be designed with a friendly and English learning atmosphere. And then for our learning media, we will use conversation cards, English games, worksheet, and then digital media such as Instagram and WhatsApp. And then for promotion, we will promote our business through social media, especially Instagram and TikTok. And then we will also offer an affordable introductory program and invite students to join a free English conversation session. And then the estimate initial cost we will use for learning material, and then promotion and cafe families facilities. And then we will provide affordable packages such as daily conversation session and weekly English program. And then in our team, each member will have a specific role. One member will be responsible for teaching and preparing learning activities, and then another member will manage promotion and social media. The third member will manage finance and administration. The other member will handle customer service and business operation. And then to ensure sustainability, we will continuously create new English activities and program based on student needs and pay. And then expect impact, jadi dampak yang diharapkan. Jadi itu maksudnya contohnya ketika kita meningkatkan kemampuan speakingnya, meningkatkan kepercayaan diri, membuat pelajaran lebih menyenangkan, membuat peluang kerja, membantu pendidikan bahasa Inggris. Jadi seperti itu. Untuk expect impact-nya, we expect English Cafe to provide positive impacts for students and the community. First, it can help students improve their English speaking skill and confidence. The second, English Cafe can create a more enjoyable and practical English learning environment. Students can be practice English through real communication instead of only studying theory. Finally, this business can also provide opportunity for English education to apply their knowledge and develop their entrepreneurial skill. Therefore, English Cafe can contribute to both education and entrepreneurship. And then in our conclusion, English Cafe is an English learning business that combines education and entrepreneurship. It provides students with a fine, affordable, and comfortable place to practice English, especially speaking. Through this business, we want to show that learning English does not always have to be formal or boring. It can be interactive, enjoyable, and meaningful. Okay, that's all from us about ELT. So the last we say thank you very much.
Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.